Welcome to another video, Madonnas. Big up on a nice clean self. Enough love and respect to Uno. Long time I not do a recording, me decide to do one today. I'ma have Madonnas them even over on my other page. I say them nasty Gracie, them nasty me and Gracie. What happened to Gracie? If we stop do content with Gracie and Ray. Anyways, because Madonna them a bleach pan Gracie, me say me I go over Gracie tomorrow and me might go live tomorrow. But me I go over there because a long time I no see her and me might go live. Anyways, me reach out to her and me tell her say me I go come over there and go live so that the people them can see her tomorrow because our fans them a ask. Gracie have fans too. And them a ask see her. So anyways, me decide say me send her a voice note. Me send her the voice note, me not hear nothing. She listen my voice note. And even though me send my Canada voice note and cuss her, she listen that one day and she still no answer. So maybe me I go over here tomorrow go disturb her on her day off. Alright then, me I go call her now. Also, me don't know if you know did hear the live yesterday when me call and she cuss me out dog rotten and tell me how she don't want none of me dirty food. And then after she done cuss me, she still tell my sister-in-law to carry the food come. Now me I go call her. So una can hear what she have to say. So if me not get to go see her tomorrow, at least una hear her voice. That's if she answer because she don't work. So let me put this phone on speaker and turn it right up. Okay? So una can hear the flying.
Anytime them fire me, you have to go mind me, yeah?
What?
Anytime them fire me, you have to mind me. Pay me bills them. Yeah. And you know me there work. And because you want chat, you come. You call me for that now?
Because you diss me.
Looking at your frigging text if you know see me text you. What is this? Well, everything want to say people this, so know. What is this?
Me tell you say me I come over your house and you...
I look on the last message, send me message, you and stop calling me, I'm a walk. You think you can mind me?
Of course me can't mind you.
Oh, you mind your husband, not me.
Yeah there. Why?
Where you want?
Look up, because me so hurt. Me never check back the message.
You want hurt? Check the message if you don't see me answer you.
But
you love Andrew too much. But check your message before you call me.
you're there.
And that's what you need to do. Me answer you. You think me can't take out my phone? Me can't take out my phone and my job then. To chat to you.
You're there. You're the hug.
Yes, I have bother me boundaries.
So on to the food. You not eat. You eat the food for your lunch. Oh, you not. Because you not eat none of my food all long. You not give me look food all long.
Me no near me yet.
Oh. So you never eat your morning job. Your belly did full.
Jesus Christ, me no want it for me and my morning job.
Oh. Oh.
You
people them ask me for you. Them ask me for you.
Alright, okay. You'll see me tomorrow. I have an appointment at the clinic, and when I'm leaving the clinic, you can always come up with me.
Okay, good. Alright, so we see it.
I want to cook some stew peas while you're there tomorrow.
Yes. Yes.
Alright, I have to run.
Alright. Cause me can't mind you. Me not reach yet. When me reach, if me reach, me could have mind you.
Alright, you're no man, so me know why you mind me. Next thing
you not have to be man for me mind you.
A man no want to mind me. You don't know no man, no rich man no want me.
Lord Jesus, put it out there in the atmosphere. Tell me tomorrow when you go on live. Tomorrow me I go. No, tomorrow when you go on live, me I go do what you call it now? Love connection.
Love connection with me. Go do it with yourself. Me gonna leave me alone. Where?
No, but me no want no love. You want a rich man and me I go put it on.
Sorry for me. Let me live my life. God I go help me to get rich. Leave me alone and go.
Hear that, but me I tell you, say, you just ask me for a rich man and if me not put it out there, how me I go know? Remember me not know nobody?
No, who don't know that for me. Later.
Alright. Papa Jesus, if you're not busy, oi. No, sir. Nasty nigga. No, sir. No, me never check back the message, you know, because me did that drive. Me up on the road. Me go do me massage and me something. Then me did up on me live. And me go wear more and Flanagan, and then me come home and realize this not gonna happen. We have to find a way how to reach out to Gracie. But look what happened. And me done as them in a me inbox. Them in a me text message and then nah left it. Dana where Gracie. Oh me no see her and Gracie. Gracie busy. Gracie works 16 hours a day. And you know she drive 30 minutes go work, drive 30 minutes come home. So that is 17 hours out of the day. She off every Wednesday though. And every other weekends she off. But apart from that, those are Gracie's schedule and I have to live with it. And she have a friend. She have another friend and not just me alone she have. And that is just that. So anyways, if you don't see this video, we might not post it tonight, you don't mind see it tomorrow. And guys, please remember to like and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. Donna B Life, Donna Marie. I don't know. I have so much pages. I can't even keep up. I have so much pages. Donna Marie, Donna's Life, Donna Marie and Donna's Life. I'm just thinking about those two right now. Please remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Big up on yourself. And we're gonna have more content coming. It's just that I am busy. Everybody's busy. My kids, them, sometimes I want to get them in the vlog as well. But them busy and none of them at the home right now. Me alone they home. So it's good to have them in the vlog sometime. And them even suggest that to me. To make me and them do videos sometimes. But sometimes me busy, them busy. And we just not have the time. The time just not much. But hopefully things are going to settle down. Where them can interact more. In my video, hopefully in the future, maybe not right this minute. Every now and then we have a little one video with me and them because them busy. Who now go school and I go work and you know have them family and etc. But hopefully we can get together. Even my sister-in-law them sometimes. And guys, honestly, I want to do like a little single lady show and maybe a single man show. I want to have some little communication, what it feels like, you know, to be single if you would have give up, you know, being single, being with somebody, stuff like that. I want to have like a dialogue with some of my Donnas them and you know what them would actually expect from a partner, what them look for if them would have give up singleness for being with somebody, what them would I really settle for. Because a lot of people sometimes now get comfortable being single because so many things is happening out there that they don't want to enjoy they don't want to get involved with anybody because they feel like nobody is not out there for them. And you know, so we want to have some dialogue on them kind of topic there. I want to tell me what I want to think, and if you're not ready for calling and talk about them topic there, want to just hit me up on my Facebook Messenger, Donna Marie. our Donna's life. Donna B life, Donna's life. If you not type in Donna B life on your Facebook, Donna Auto and gonna come up. Because that is the link. Donna B life. So either one of them page they wanna hook me up on Facebook or Instagram, Donna's life and Donna Marie on Instagram as well. And my YouTube is Donna Marie and Donna's life. So either way, it's still falling at them names there. So if any one of them wanna find on Facebook or Instagram, hook me up if you're not ready to talk about them kind of topic there. Some single people life. Yes. And one would all want in a partner if you not really want to give up on no freedom or not try to, you know, would I really want to find somebody, but we're not would I really want into a partner. We need to have more discussion on these kind of topics. So if you don't want to chit chat with me, I'm gonna record it, hook me up, and then we can have some dialogue and post some content or maybe go live and talk about it. And on this side and tell me, Madonna's, drop it in the comment section, drop them in my inbox, and we can schedule some appointments where we can talk about some things. Okay, big up on yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I'm glad that you actually get a little chance for chit chat and listen to with me and Gracie. Enough love from the bottom of my heart, Madonna. Love, 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 love. Big up on a nice clean self.